Canva, Comprehensive Subscription Cancellation Guide. Canva is a powerful design tool that helps individuals and businesses create stunning graphics, presentations, and more. We are going to cover the different methods to cancel your Canva subscription, including through the web and mobile app. Cancel Canva via website. Go to the Home Page menu, click the gear icon to go to your Account Settings. Select the Billing and Plans tab. On your plan, click the icon. Click Cancel Subscription. Cancel via MacBook or computer. Open the App Store. Select your name at the bottom left sidebar. Click View Information. Scroll down and click Manage. Scroll down to find Canva and click Edit. Select Cancel Subscription, press Confirm. Cancel via iPhone or iPad. Open the Settings app on your Apple device. Tap your name. Choose Subscriptions. Tap Canva to manage subscriptions. Choose Cancel Subscriptions. Canceling via Google Play membership. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Tap on your profile picture. Tap Payments and Subscriptions. Choose Subscriptions. Tap Canva. Tap Cancel Subscriptions. Cancel Canva using ScribeUp. With 3 simple steps, you'll be able to cancel unwanted subscriptions to avoid future bills. Sign up for ScribeUp. Scan your credit card that is connected to your subscriptions and cancel the unwanted subscriptions with one click. So simple, secure, and completely free. Sign up for ScribeUp now and experience the subscription power.